Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. Thank you guys for all your messages. Thank you for all your messages. Yesterday's analysis was amazing. I saw all your results. I'm really happy that you guys really took advantage of the market. Okay, we need more of that, more positive results like that. So always stay tuned whenever we are having the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. Okay, in today's video we will continue from where we stopped yesterday, and yesterday we started a topic tag how to trade boom and crash. Okay, live trading experience. Okay, that was the part one. If you missed that, you missed a lot, because we picked up a trade live and direct, and of course we will be doing that again. We will be analyzing the market. I will be telling you while the market is in that form, and while you should go for a trade, and while you should not go for a trade. Okay, so these are some of the things we will be checking out in the video. So, and of course we will be doing that again. I believe it that you guys are learning how to analyze the market, and you are learning how to take control of the market, and of course you are also learning how to milk the market successfully for a very long time. Okay, so kindly stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Okay, so that you will understand how to go about it. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? And do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, in my last video, like I said, I made it known that for you to go into any of these assets, okay, you must be sure of the right trend to trade them. You must know your entry point and your exit points, which means you must know your resistance and your support zone very well. That is why you need a very good setup that will help you to understand how it works. Okay, if you are not having a good setup, then here is a setup which I've been using. Most of my subscribers are already having it. If you are not having it, then you are missing a lot. It is called 3M trend milker indicator, and that is what I will be using to analyze the market right here. Okay, a promo is going on at the moment for this particular setup. You can get it at 50% discount of its original price. Okay, I've been able to discuss this out, and so many people have taken advantage of this, so you too can also chat up with me to know how to grab your own. Okay, it is a unique setup that you will have to configure for your account to work with. Okay, so that is it, and there is a fantastic customer care support. Okay, that's so amazing about this opportunity. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have. So if you're having this setup, you can switch on to your chart, and let's do the analysis together, and let's see how we can pick up, if we can pick up one or two trades from this particular video. Okay, like I used to tell you, you should have your setup on the 5-minute time frame. Okay, do not go to 1-minute time frame. Not that you cannot trade on 1-minute time frame, but it is preferable you start from 5-minute time frame, or you use 15-minute time frame, whichever one. Okay, but if you are just starting, I would advise you to start with 5-minute time frame. So I will be using 5-minute time frame, and there are 6 different assets you can trade with this particular strategy. We have the boom 1000, crash 1000, boom 500, crash 500, boom 300, and crash 300. So all you just need to do is just to have them on the chart, and how they set up on them. You can see this is boom 1000, and this is boom 500, crash 1000, crash 500, boom 300. So I'm going to have my setup on it. So any one of them can actually give us an entry point signal. Okay, you don't need to force yourself into a trade, okay, just wait for the right entry point signal, then you go in. You can see this is crash 300, so you can, I'm having all my setup ready. So let's start with boom 1000. Okay, just the way you guys are saying it, it has gotten to this resistance zone. It's a major one, and it's unable to break out from there after making 3 different attempts. So it went back into downtrend, and we can see our first entry point signal got to this region. So that is why I always tell you to use the right lot size that your account can manage. When you use the right lot size that your account can manage, then you are you can easily make a lot of profit with it, especially once you know the right trend to trade it. For boom, we are trading the normal trend. For boom, the right trend to trade the normal trend is when the market is selling, when the market is on downtrend, okay, because we sell it for the normal trend. For crash, it is when the market is on uptrend, because we are buying at that point, okay. So that is very, very important. This should be our entry point. So if we had come in right here, would it be a mistake after experiencing this series of spikes that happen? No, it's not a mistake. The market is still on downtrend. It's just a pullback, okay, just that there is a support zone around there that has not been able to break, okay. So it went back up, but you can see it still came down again, broke out from there, still spiked up again, then this time around went down, okay. You can see, so it's never a mistake, okay. You just need to stay calm. You are in the right trend. All you just need to do is to stay calm, and you will be in a lot of profit. You can see if you are coming around here, you will be a lot of profit, because this should be your exit point, okay. This is a major support zone, okay. You should be preparing to exit at this point. So you this will have been the best opportunity. If you are coming around here, you would have been in profit. For those of you that have been following up with my analysis, and for those of you who are having this indicator, I know you would have milked this market right from the beginning till the very end. You can imagine coming in around here and being in the market till this region, okay. That's beautiful, right? It is amazing. So this is one beautiful thing you can achieve with this indicator, okay. And that is why I always advise you to go for it, okay, because you're going to use it to milk the market for a very long time. You can imagine starting from here and ending your trade around there. That's a lot of profit for you, okay. So at this stage, we won't be able to pick up a trade right here, even though the market is on a downtrend, but we can say it is at a major support zone. So this is too risky. Anything can happen. We can either have a pullback here, or we have three things can happen here, okay. One is that we can have a breakout here, which means there can be a breakout below the support zone, and it will continue with the sell trend. Then we can have a pullback, that is, it will pull back and try out the support zone again to see if it will break out from there, or probably we can have a total reversal in price action. If it is a total reversal in price action, that is, the market is changing into an uptrend at that particular point, okay. That is very, very important. So we don't know the one that will happen, so this is too risky for us to go into. So that is why we won't be following the signal at this point, okay, because it is most likely it goes back into uptrend. So let's go straight into other assets, okay. This is boom 500, and we can see almost the same thing happened with boom 500, but just the opposite direction. It is on uptrend. Like I said, we are not trading the spiky part at the moment, so this is not the right time for us to trade, even though it has gotten to a major resistance zone. Before we can say we can sell, it must be on downtrend. So let's have the sell arrow and the red flag first before we can go into the trade, okay. So let's check out other assets. Crash 1000, this is crash 1000. This is 5-minute time frame. It is buying, okay. We are meant to buy, okay. So we can buy till the end of the resistance zone, okay. And right here, it is almost getting to the end of the resistance zone anyway, but right here is the resistance zone, a major one, even though there is another one here, but we need to consider this first, okay. So instead of me going up on with that, I'm going to set my take profits right here, because it's almost ending already, okay. I'm going to pick up my parameters, okay, and of course placed an order, a buy order this time around. You can see the lot size I'm using. I'm going to place my parameters right here and place the buy order right here. So that is it. So it's going to buy till it gets to this. It's not going to be much anyway, but that's because it's almost getting to the end of the trend. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, this is another one, crash 500. This has gone for a very long time. For those of you that have this indicator, I know you would have milked the market. This is beautiful. That is one beautiful thing about this indicator. You always have it. You always have an opportunity to milk the market successfully if you follow this signal, if you really understand the way it works. Okay, so let's check out boom 300. Let's check out boom 300. Okay, this is boom 300. It is selling. It started selling from here, just looking for a way to cut out from this support zone. If it's able to break out from this support zone, very good, but if it's not, then it is very difficult for us to go through. Okay, but right now we can place our take profits around here because it is still trying to break out from there. So we need it to break out. We cannot go for a longer one because the trend is already having issue around this support zone. If it's, and it is very close to a major one, so if it's not able to break out from here, then it can change the direction of the market. So we can pick up our parameters for this. Okay, so let's pick for this, then we sell. Okay, because this is boom 300, so we're going to sell. So I'm going to put my TP right here, then I will be selling. Okay, so I've placed another order right there. Okay, so let's go for this is going to be longer than the first one which I placed. Okay, because this is 300 and the gap is even much. Okay, 300 is more volatile. Okay, so let's check out for that of the crash 300. This is crash 300. It's been on uptrend right from here, got to this resistance zone, was unable to pull through, so it's led to a pullback. Okay, so this time around it's trying to go back up again, but we need it to give us a buy signal before we go into it. Okay, so once it gives us a buy signal, then you can come in and place your order till it gets to this region. Okay, this region. Okay, once it gets to this region, we can take our profit because it has been, if you should check it out, here is a resistance zone that is respected, and here is another one and it's respected it. Okay, so that is very, very important, but we need the buy signal before we can go into it. Okay, so that is all about that. I will be stopping right here. In my next video we will be looking at more. I pray that we have a bigger opportunity in my next video so that we get to see how it works. Okay, for now I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.